Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at that pesky F6E4 error code on your Kenmore dishwasher and wondering how to get your dishes clean again, you've come to the right video. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide to fix this common issue, which usually points to a leak detection problem. Don't worry, I'll make this quick, easy, and safe for you to follow at home. First things first, let's talk about what this error means. The F6E4 code typically indicates that your dishwasher has detected moisture or leak in the system, which could be from a faulty sensor, a clogged drain, or even just some residual water. It's your machine's way of saying, hey, something's not right. Before we jump in, remember safety is key. Always unplug your dishwasher from the wall to avoid any electrical mishaps. Got that? Great, let's get started. Step 1. Check for visible leaks. Open the door and look around the bottom of the unit for any standing water or wet spots. If you see something, grab a towel and dry it up thoroughly. This might resolve the issue right away. Next, inspect the float switch. It's that little floating device at the bottom of the tub that detects water levels. Sometimes, debris like food particles can get stuck, triggering false alarms. Gently clean it with a soft cloth or a toothbrush. Step 3. Reset your dishwasher. This is like giving it a fresh start. Press and hold the cancel or reset button for about 10 seconds, or unplug it for a minute and plug it back in. Run a short cycle to see if the error clears. If that doesn't work, you might need to check the door seal for any cracks or wear. A damaged seal can cause leaks, so replace it if necessary. Parts are usually affordable and easy to find online. Finally, if none of these steps fix the problem, it could be a more serious issue like a faulty water inlet valve or sensor. In that case, it's time to call a professional technician to avoid any further damage. There you have it, your quick guide to banishing the F6E4 error and getting your Kenmore dishwasher back to sparkling form. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more home repair tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing.